the lights fade to black. A hush falls over the showroom as a glowing silhouette emerges from the shadows. A voice begins, steady and commanding. In a world where innovation meets limitless travel, one creation dares to redefine what's possible. This is the 2028 Titan Voyager XL. The stage lights rise, revealing the bold two-floor exterior. Its sculpted aerodynamic body stretches forward with flowing precision, while a seamless panoramic glass canopy crowns the upper deck. Futuristic LED headlights ignite with a continuous beam, casting a sharp glow across the polished showroom floor. Every detail is designed to capture attention, to signal a new era in motorhome design. The camera glides to the rear. Vertical taillights rise like luminous pillars, integrated seamlessly into the flowing bodywork. An expandable rear section, barely visible until revealed, hints at hidden possibilities within. Reflections ripple across the metallic surface, bouncing against the black showroom floor as spotlights dance dramatically over its contours. Then the doors open. Inside, the future awaits. The upper deck cockpit wraps around the driver in a command center of innovation. A holographic heads-up display flickers to life above a sleek futuristic dashboard, tactile controls glowing softly at the fingertips. The view stretches through the expansive glass windshield, every showroom light shimmering across its surface. Below, the lower deck lounge feels like stepping into luxury itself. Modular white leather seating glows with ambient LEDs, brushed metal, and polished wood accents glimmer under soft cinematic lighting, while panoramic smart glass walls reveal a futuristic vision of comfort. The journey continues upward. The Sky Suite bedroom unfolds in tranquil elegance, with a smart bed outlined by subtle illumination and a ceiling projection that turns the night sky into a canvas of constellations. Beyond, the rooftop sky lounge rises under the glow of glass railings, a sanctuary in the air where futuristic lounge seating invites you to escape. Spotlights from the showroom reflect across the polished metallic frame, making the Titan Voyager XL shine like a masterpiece of moving architecture. The voice returns, deeper, final, unforgettable. This is more than a motorhome. It is architecture in motion. A sanctuary on wheels. A symbol of freedom, without compromise. The 2028 Titan Voyager XL, the journey has just begun.